everyone, it's Ramey here from UMI Performance. I woke up today and chose violence. We're out here at Black Shannon State Park in front of the green machine. Dimitri and I just took a rip out here, very safely of course. We build these cars to drive them, so we test them on track at UMI Motorsports Park. We love hitting the twisties. We love doing everything with these cars and they work really good. So choose UMI and we'll get you fixed up. Man, that was a fun ride. If you need street, strip, autocross, or road race suspension for your G-Body, shop UMIperformance.com.